Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Today from the book IT Planet, we are going to start the chapter 3rd, Excel Creating Worksheet. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program in which we can create the worksheets. We can organize our data into rows and columns form, and the collection of these rows and columns are called worksheet. For years ago, people used manual methods, like they used pencils and papers to organize the data into rows and columns. But nowadays, we use electronic worksheet, which is very easy and quickly calculate our data also. Like Word software, Microsoft Excel also has basic features like we create, edit and format the worksheets. And the spreadsheet file is called a workbook, like a notebook which have many pages, same as workbook which has many worksheets. On each worksheet, data is organized vertically, columns and horizontally in rows. The number of columns which worksheet has is 16,384, and the total rows has 10,48,576. These letters called column headings, which are displayed on the columns, and a letter identify each column, because this is the A letter displays the first column, B is the second, and C is the same as it starts with A letter and ends with XFD. And the row numbers, these are the row headings. The number start with 1 and end with 10,48,576. Only a small fraction of these columns and rows displayed on the screen. But if we want to view the other columns and other rows, we should use scroll bar. And what is the cell? The cell is the intersection of column and row. And cell is identified the column and the row in which it is located. For example, the intersection of column B and column 5 is here. This cell is the intersection of the column B and column 5, row 5. So B5 is the cell address of this cell. And every cell may contains text, numbers, formulas. We can enter text, numbers and formulas in the cells. Here are some uses of Excel. Used for manipulating numbers. Microsoft Excel is used for numeric data. It is very easy to perform the mathematical calculations in Excel. Like if you want to calculate the total marks of your exams, you can calculate in the Excel. It is very easy and it will calculate quickly. Other uses is organize data. We can also use Excel to organize our data into rows and columns format perfectly, and we can also perform sorting operations on the data. Next is store data as a workbook. When we save the workbook, it is saved with the extension .xlsx. We can save many worksheets in a single workbook to hold large amount of data. Share data. Excel allows us to share our data to other users. We can also import the data to others from others, and also export the data to other file formats. We can also save the data into the PDF format or HTML format. Here are some features of Excel. This is edit and format data. We can edit and format our data in Microsoft Excel. We can quickly enter the series of numbers, and we can also find the data, and we can also replace the data, and we can also change the font, color, style and alignment of the data in the Excel. The second one feature is using formulas and functions. We can also use the formulas and functions in Excel to calculate and analyze our data. And Excel also help us to correct our common errors in our formulas, and here are some common calculations like sum, average. Next is print worksheets. We can also make a hard copy of the worksheet by using print command. You can print the worksheets in Excel. You can also set the margins and size of the printed data in Excel quickly. The next is create charts and objects. You can also create the charts of the Excel sheets so that it can visually displayed on the screen. You can also add auto shapes, smart arts in the Excel.